Hey everybody, welcome back to the Maniac. I just got in an order from Charme, and I wanted to show you real quickly because I ordered their holiday mystery bag, which sometimes you get some really good stuff in here. So I'll show you what I got. They're not all the same, just as a disclaimer. If you order it, it doesn't guaranteed to have these things in it. So just so you know, I also did get a couple of their little mix packs too. So I'll show you those. So these are the two. This is their Christmas mix, which of course has a bunch of yellow and green and red. And these are really pretty, these opals. So those are pretty. I can't remember what this one's called, but you'll see it on there if you go on. Has some mix of pointed and flat backs. Really pretty. So yeah, those are gorgeous. Excited to get to use those. And then I also did buy this giant container, and I love these containers because I am really bad about spilling things. So I like that they come in like smaller little holders that I can open and close. Because if I'm not using something, it has to be closed. And if this whole thing was just open and I opened it and I spilled it, they would go everywhere. At least this way, if I spill it and only this one is like open on the desk and I drop this, they won't go everywhere. So this is their big one. They do have a couple smaller ones. I did get a couple of the smaller. So these are just from Amazon and they're pretty much the same thing. I got both just to see if there was a difference, but there really is not. They're literally 4 little cubes, 28. And I think these ones, I got 2 of these 28 holders for like, I don't know, it was like $8. Something super cheap. Much cheaper than these. But I do like this big one to replace another big open one that I have. So that is exciting. They run out of those real quick. So if you want some, you need to get them. So anyway, onward. This is our little holiday bag, and there could be anything in here, honestly. I've gotten their Valentine's bags. I think I got their holiday bag last year, but I don't remember, to be honest. So there'll just be a ton of random stuff in here. This is just red chrome, yay! Sorry, excuse my dog. This is just more stuffing in here. So there's another, looks similar to the Christmas mix. Got some red chrome, so that's exciting. Cosmopolitan, so this is their jelly, their red jelly color, which I actually already have. So maybe that'll have to be a giveaway. Anytime I get duplicate stuff, I try and put it to the side for a giveaway. So this is their red jelly color, and they're beautiful. They have such beautiful jelly colors. I have the whole set. I actually bought the whole set all together, so that might be good for a giveaway. And then we've got some, looks like a silver foil and some cute snowflake Christmas. Those are going to be really cute for Christmas and New Year's. Wow, this is cool. Striping tape. Look at that. Silver, but it's like a gritty looking silver glitter. And then we've got some little cutouts. Those are Christmassy. Some flowers. This has pine cones and Christmas trees in it. Same here, just little snowflakes, Christmas trees, gloves. Cute. We've got some silver and gold charms here. These are pretty. These are going to be really cute to put on. Large and small kind of silver and gold stars. And then these look like little charms, which they're not turned around. Let me see. Open them up. Ooh, those are pretty. Look at how pretty these are. So we've got like a little, it's like a little Santa. Gingerbread man. This looks like a snowman. That's cute. Little house. Little snowflakes. How pretty is that? I'm gonna have to use that one on myself. Just FYI. Put those back in a minute. And then got some nail stickers. So those are little wreaths. Those are cute. Yay. They always say, so this is a foil. You use a foil transfer gel to move that over. And then this looks like just some more stickers. And you just never know what you're going to get in these. Sometimes you get really awesome stuff. So these are pretty cute. Is it like a, oh wow, there's a lot of them. Well, there's red, green, look at those. And they're like iridescent. Those are pretty. And they're all like Christmas shapes. Looks like a bell, snowflake, gingerbread man, angel, Christmas tree. So, ooh, those are fun. And then this looks like some more foil, I think. Transfer foils. Let's see. Yep. Those are pretty. Ooh, look at these. Oh, this red is amazing. That's going to be fun. Ooh, look. Some animal print too. See, you just never know. It's a mystery bag. So anyway, I think the mystery bags were, I want to say it was $40 this year. Like $100 worth of stuff. I mean, this red chrome alone is worth a lot. This is probably $18, I think, for the jelly. So a good variety of stuff. I'm very excited. So hooray. Anyway, so that is a little quick unboxing of a holiday mystery bag from Daily Charm. I hope you guys liked it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did. As always, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming content. I'm going to do some fun nail art coming up for the fall and then, of course, moving into Christmas time. So thanks again for joining me here. We'll see you next time on the Maniac.